Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will introducing a WordPress developer who will create website design and redesign website. He is a very professional. His name is Giant M. He is a top rated freelancer on Fiverr and he is a pro freelancer on Fiverr. He is a WordPress developer. He have 1200 reviews on Fiverr and 8 order already running he have. So he is a very professional and he is a WordPress developer. So he is a top rated freelancer on Fiverr. So I will introducing him today. So he already done so many projects. I will show you his previous project on he create for his client. So first of all, this one is a project he done. Yes, you can check 10 hours ago he have already take review from his client, and this is a website for he make for his client. And another one, this one 4 days ago his client review and he create for his client WordPress. And for third one, he create 1 week ago his client review already done, you can already check. And fourth one, this he create for his client 1 month ago, he take 5-star review. So he have so many reviews and project he already create for his client. He is a WordPress website designer and website redesigning. We will check how many reviews he have. He have 1219 5-star review and 4-star 22 reviews. And I will check his project base. So you can see his portfolio. He create CTH financial WordPress website, and another one he create WordPress website for his client, and third one gold WordPress website. And any type of website you can create from him. He's a very professional, already done, and already you see he's 1000 plus project he completed. So he's very professional and he have already 5-star review, so many 5-star review, 1000 plus. So that's why he is a very professional. I hope you can hire him for design your WordPress website. So we will check his price, his basic price. Basic landing page 195, landing page with up 6 section, slider, about, service, CTA, contact from, fast and secure. Within 7 days, he takes 7 days time only for done basic package and 2-time revision. And a standard package, his business website $595, and modern design with up to 5 page blog, Google Analytics, SEO, fast and secure, 14 days delivery, unlimited revision. So that's why he's a very professional. He's a top rated freelancer, also he's a pro freelancer. So he's very professional. 1000 plus he already project done. So that's why his price is so too much high. And another one, his premium package, premium website plus shop, premium 10 page or shop with cart, checkout, all picture, a standard package plus 1 month support within 21 delivery days within, and 1 month he will give you support and unlimited revision. So he is a very professional and top rated pro freelancer. We already done, we already check. He is a very professional and he's a top rated and pro freelancer on Fiverr. So I hope if you need very professional website and very good, and you can hire him. So that's why he is a perfect for you. If you have so much budget, you can hire him for your website designing. He already create so many website for his client. So I will add this link on my description below. You can contact with him. You can first you will discuss about him. This is a contact him. You can first contact with your project and your vision. He will suggest you how you can grow your website, how you can develop your website, and how many times he have to need. And you can contact first placing in your order. So I will add this link on my description below. You can contact with him and I hope he is a very professional and you can get very professional service from him. So that's why I hope you understand me. I will add this link on my description below. You can contact with him, and this video will, if you will help you,